All right, this is a fast and simple review of the projection alarm clock. Just want to show you the opening of the package real quick. So simply comes with a plug, charging cable, and the directions, and the clock itself. So we'll go ahead and get this thing plugged in and start showcasing it. This looks like the antenna for the FM. So we'll plug it in, get it charged up, get it operational, and then continue the review. All right, so I'm going to continue this in a dark room, or relatively dark. It's simple. The cord is pretty long here. It's about a 2-3 foot cord. Simple USB plug. Plugs right into the wall. And then what you'll find is on the back of the clock, you'll see a simple plug. And that just plugs in. Now, also to note, it's got a USB charger on the side, which will make that pretty sweet. And so what I want to showcase is, obviously the clock itself is working, but I want to show how the flexibility here. This is going to be a wall display. So if we want to start to display, really we just press that button right there, and you'll see a little blue light there. It starts to shine, and I'm going to showcase how this works. It's pretty sweet, actually. So as you can see, we have the clock working right now, and I'm just going to come up to the wall here, and we can see that it is an adjustable, so I can move it as needed to adjust just by swiveling this, and it can swivel forward, backwards. So very cool. So if you're one of these people that needs to see it on the ceiling, it's going to be there, and again, it's still on the front. So as mentioned, there's a USB plug on the side, and I just want to show you real quick that it is charging while plugged in. So if you need to charge an additional device, put your phone on it or whatever, while plugged into the wall, it's certainly capable of doing that. All right, and to check the radio here, there's a little radio button, and what you'll want to do is short press that, I believe. Let me just short press, turn it on, and it is automatically just
Franz Welserwurst conducts.
Searching. And
This is 1A. I'm Jen White. It's been the rockiest few weeks.
oh, I'm going to just search. Have to get that volume down a little bit and see what that does. On the back here we have a little volume button, and then to the right is the dim button. So if we need to dim this, as you can kind of see, it dims out. It does not affect the wall, so I gotta try and give you that angle. So something I'm also noticing, it doesn't really stay in place with your adjustments, so very well, it just could be my device when going backwards. So it's a much better stay in place on the front, but on the back it kind of swivels back a little bit, as you can see. So not great on that, but again, something that we will definitely want to consider. So as far as changing channels, let's see, trying to figure out how to save channels. It does in the directions say you can manually search stations, and again, it is an FM radio, so we'll just want to continue to
Really
switch
kind of
stations.
became very much a concern on the front of everyone's mind late last week, and regulate the central bank essentially around the clock over the weekend.
There, we're back into our search just by holding the button. and it's just going to keep rotating through to find different stations. So you can do some work on that. I'm not going to spend too much more time here on that, so I'm just going to turn that off. But I do want to kind of let you know there are different alarm settings and the like that you can mess around with. And overall, it's pretty solid. Beautiful interface, very nice stand, and you know, again, you can kind of set multiple alarms. Just read the directions for that, and again, overall, seem very cool. One thing that I'll definitely try and focus on is how to you know, keep this in place depending on where I want to you know, kind of drive that image. And so maybe you just put kind of a little tightener in there to keep it in place. But usually you don't want to have it, you know, you want to have it kind of projecting on the ceiling anyway, so it is going to be up in the air where it kind of is pretty solid. So hope this review helps, and thanks for watching.